everybody, it is Emily and welcome back to another music video reaction video. Today we will be doing Tsubaki Factory's Fireworks, plural, music video. They just announced this is going to be the new single, and apparently the song is already on Spotify, which I think is kind of odd. I don't know when the single is supposed to come out. I think it's like May or June. I'm not 100% certain, but it's already out. So I haven't heard it, and I think it's gonna be a summer song, which is weird because like spring just started. I don't know how I feel about this. Anyways, I'm excited. I love Tsubaki Factory. I'm curious if it's gonna be a summery song or not. Don't know how I feel. People were also saying this might be Manapan's last single. I don't think so because she is leaving in the fall. I think they're gonna push out another single probably closer towards the fall time before her graduation. So I don't think this is her last single. So without further ado, let's get started. Runo! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. It's not what I thought. The blue hair is so cool. This reminds me of ooh, I like it a lot. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's pretty, I like it. The music reminds me of an anime song. Can't think of it. I like it. Musically reminds me of, I think it's Item. I can't think of the name of the song. Whoa! Japan. I thought this would be a summery song. It's not. Usually it seems a little cheap, but that's okay. Choreography. I like the outfit. Ooh. The white You need everything. Fireworks, it's go time. Pretty. Ooh, we got some ballet in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He killed that. Oh my goodness. I like it. I just wish the music video was a bit I'm not complaining, but fireworks, it's go time. Ooh. I like this instrumental. I thought she was tying her shoe. Ooh. Very good. Ooh, okay, so this comes out in June. I kept thinking it was May. It comes out in June. I really liked it. I wish the music video was a bit better quality. You know, like their last single, for instance, what's that? The one that's right there. I can't think of the name of it. I can't think of it. That one was like good quality. Anyways, I like it. I like the song. It's cool. I really like it. I wish the music video was a bit more. I don't know. They could have used real fireworks. I don't know. It looked a little cheap, but that's just my opinion. Music video reminded me of, I think it's Aidome Saya from Anger May. Kind of, I think it's probably the same set. It looks very familiar. And they kind of did the same, yeah, with the fire and stuff. I like it. I thought it'd be like a summary song. It's not a summary song. It's good. I like it. I really like it. I'm curious to see who the composer is. There's this one composer that Tsubaki Factory uses that makes really good songs. So I'm gonna have to afterwards see this. I'm gonna go and see who the composer was and see if it's the person that I think it is, because they always like do really good songs. Um, but anyways, that is today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know what you guys think of the song in the comments. So thank you for watching. Bye.